Hi David, my name is Carolyn Gray. We've never met, but I think you spoke with my business partner David about ILM management training at Pickfords. David mentioned to me that you're talking about the ILM with some of your colleagues, so I thought it might be useful to send you this 6-minute presentation that covers some of the basics of why you might choose an ILM program. Here we go. ILM stands for the Institute of Leadership and Management. It's one of Europe's leading awarding organisations, which means it's authorised to award qualifications and it's regulated by Ofqual. Every academic year, 90,000 plus candidates register with the ILM. Most of these candidates are in the UK, but increasingly ILM qualifications are being taken up overseas too. So the ILM really is quite a big, credible organisation and a safe pair of hands for your company's qualifications. So why would you look for an ILM accredited programme over the more standard in-house management development programme? I think there are 3 main reasons. The first and most important is the impact on candidates. I've been a trainer for about 12 years now, and I notice that people who attend accredited training tend to be more committed, they tend to participate more actively, and they tend to take the whole thing just that little bit more seriously than they otherwise might. The second reason has to do with your HR strategy. Using ILM qualifications will give you built-in, usable standards for recruiting new managers, for promoting the managers you already have, and for developing them over time. Finally, working with the ILM as an ILM centre has a huge impact on us as a training provider. The ILM have really stringent quality systems and standards they hold us to, and this has an impact on everything we do for you as a customer, and everything we do for the people who attend our courses. The ILM audit us twice a year, and they're very picky, so you can feel confident that we're going to get it right. Let's look for a bit at the various levels the ILM uses and how they work in practice. We deliver courses in all 4 subject areas, but what I'm about to say applies specifically to the ILM's management stream. There are 6 levels, 2 to 7, and each one of them targets the big issues a manager faces at a particular point in their career. For example, Level 2 covers the basics. It's all about making the transition from being part of the team to taking a role in leading the team. It helps team leaders to understand what managing is all about so they can lead their teams effectively, but also so that they can give great support to their own line managers. Level 2 can cover up to 22 possible topics, but in most organisations it's used to build confidence and capability about issues like motivating the work team, fulfilling customer requirements, planning and organising work, managing time, managing stress, team communication. Level 3, on the other hand, is about the development of the manager as a professional manager. It's about helping people to step away from doing the doing and adding value just by how they manage others. Our Level 3 courses focus closely on helping managers to know what to do and, crucially, how to do it. Solving problems and making decisions is mandatory, and there are 34 further optional topics, the most popular of which include managing performance, working with costs and budgets, managing projects, organising and delegating, managing change and conflict, and, very important for line managers everywhere, influencing and negotiating. Now, there really is a huge step up from Level 2 to Level 5. Level 3 is very operational, but Level 5 is for much more senior managers who need to move beyond the day-to-day challenges of managing their teams and who need to start thinking strategically about the business as a business. Popular options for this level include becoming an effective leader, leading innovation and change, managing improvement, making the financial case, which I know makes loads of managers really nervous, and delivering professional presentations. Once you know what level or levels you want to deliver, we'll work hard to understand Pickfords, its culture, and the challenges you face. We'll spend time researching, talking to people, even shadowing managers, so that every aspect of the training design is completely relevant to you. And once the course begins, we'll use a range of tools, some high-tech and some no-tech at all, to give outstanding support to each and every candidate. Among other things, this might mean face-to-face, email and telephone support, which is generally available 7 days a week, 16 hours a day. A dedicated website for each cohort where people can download resources, leave feedback from me, the tutor, and share ideas with each other. And finally, a commitment to mark and return every single assessment, including detailed written feedback within 5 working days. In the past 5 years, I've personally guided about 500 people through ILM Level 2, Level 3, and Level 5. Everyone who has completed all the assessments and handed them in has passed the course. That's a 100% pass rate and something we're incredibly proud of. We think it's a direct result of the quality of tutorial support we offer. At the end of every course, we ask all our candidates to tell us 5 words they would use to describe working with us. Here are some of the things our candidates have said lately. David, I hope you've enjoyed this brief presentation. We would love to meet with you sometime to talk through your plans for ILM at Pickfords. In the meantime, if you want to ask a question or make a comment, please do get in touch with us anytime. We'd love to hear from you. David, I hope you've enjoyed this brief presentation. We'd love to meet with you sometime to talk through your plans for ILM at Pickfords. In the meantime, if you want to ask a question or make a comment, please do get in touch with us anytime. We'd love to hear from you.